Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a guilt-free pumpkin cheesecake recipe. Oh my gosh, these are so good. I have been making a lot of these lately. Fall is here and it's time to get baking, and these are something that I can eat and not feel guilty about. They are so delicious and I know you guys will love them. Today's video is very special as well because I am collabing again with my friend Amber over at AmBam's Life. I will leave all of her information down below, but last year we did a fall bake with me and I will leave that video in the description as well. It was one of our first videos and it was so much fun, and we decided to do this again this year. Definitely go check out her video afterward. We decided to add the cleaning on top of the baking. It'll be a really fun fall video for you guys. And if you're coming over from AmBam's Life, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you try this recipe out. And if you like these videos, definitely hit that red subscribe button down below and tap the bell. I would love to have you here. Let me know in the comments if you're coming over. Say hi. So let's get started with these protein guilt-free pumpkin cheesecake bites. I know you guys will love them. So here is everything that you'll need. And I'm gonna just list off them real quick. So cream cheese, this is just the 1/3 less fat. You can use whichever one you want. Then you'll need some graham crackers. So for this, I like to use the cinnamon ones. And then just some sprinkles just for fun. These are actually from last year. But yeah, they're just little Halloween sprinkles. And then you'll need a can of 100% pure pumpkin. So you don't want the pumpkin pie filling, you want just pumpkin, not sweetened or anything. You'll need some pumpkin pie spice, ground cinnamon. So I'm going to be using some butter extract, but you can also use vanilla. And then some protein powder. This is basically going to cover the sugar in it. So you can use regular sugar, stevia, however you want, whatever your dietary needs are. I'm just using my protein powder because I bake with it all the time. And it's super sweet and it has vanilla flavor to it. So this is what I'm going to use. And then you're also going to use some coconut flour or regular flour, just your preference there. You'll need some measuring cups and spoons, a small bowl, a larger bowl, and then just for serving purposes, I'm going to put the bites in these little cupcake dishes. I've done it with like parchment paper. It just depends on how you're going to be serving it. So that is everything. I'm also going to be using gloves just to make it easier and not as messy.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, but let the moonlight up. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to film, and I was so excited to partner with my friend again. She makes some awesome videos, so definitely go check her out. I'm sure you're already following her, but if you're not, tell her I sent you, tell her hi in the comments, and give her a big thumbs up as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Stronger, much stronger.